Today we're touring a beautiful 99.5-acre estate in the Cherry Valley section of Stroudsburg, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. This estate was founded in 1797 and includes a beautifully restored 5-bedroom, 5,000-square-foot stone farmhouse, a large bank barn, a spring-fed pond, and magnificent views of the Appalachian Trail and rolling farmland. The historic stone house was built in 1824 by Peter Shaw and features 9 original stone fireplaces, a first-floor primary suite, original hardwood floors, a gourmet kitchen with a 6-foot stone fireplace, and a la Cornue Gas Range with copper hood vent and custom Subzero antique Icebox refrigerator. The barn features a party room and has been professionally restored with large sliding doors. The barn overlooks an outdoor kitchen and patio. This estate is a gardener's delight, with stone walls and gardens, and includes a conservation easement. This is a great commuter location, within easy reach of I-80, the Lehigh Valley, the Poconos, and New Jersey.